Okay guys, okay, we're in a place, I'm in the right place today. I'm in the right place because we see this Isle of Man green M3 competition 50-year anniversary logo. 50 years anniversary logo. Look at this logo, look at this special car, look at this special logo. This is a special order, by the way. You can't buy this car in the dealership. You can't buy this car in the local dealership, man. You can't do that. Look at this bucket seats, look at this $4,000, $3,000. How much was it? I don't know. Bucket seats. That's not comfy at all. Not comfy at all. We got the M2 in a nice color. I don't know the name of this color. And we got the M5 CS. M5 CS, and not in green. Not in green. It used to be in green because this is a special version of the 5 Series M5, the truck version of the M5. Look at this car. This is the car. This is the real car. Look at this Cabriolet Supra. This is special, man. But look at this then. I don't know. I was considering to buy this car, but I don't know. It's too small, too whatever. I don't know. All right, we got the F8 Tributo, F12 TDF. TDF stands for Tour de France. This is a special edition of the F12. There is 799 F12s in the world, but this is TDF. So it makes it less than 799 TDF Ferrari F12s. So I'm not sure how many exactly like they made one of this, but yeah, starting price for this $620 something thousand. I would say like more than $500,000. But yeah, this is a special edition. And then we got the AMG GTR, and then we got the Dodge Viper, and then we got the GT2 RS. I guess it's called Club Sport. I never seen one of this, the Club Sport, but I know that it's GT2 RS. But this is a track version of the GT2 RS, like a race version, like a track version of GT2 RS. So this is probably the fastest Porsche they made, bro. Like GT2 RS is much faster than GT3 RS or GT 911 Turbo or something. This is a track version of any 911 Porsche. Look at the size of this wing, man. Look at the size. Look how big it is. GT2 RS. So some cars are living, some cars are... Yo, HRE wheels. Look at this HRE wheels. Underground racing. Look at the Chiron Super Sport. That's the proof right here. Chiron Super Sport. Look at this interior. Look at this car. Orange accents. Look at the side of the wing. The back is a little bit longer, as you see. The back is a little bit longer than the wing is. I'm seeing this car first time in my life, honestly. Super Sport. I was so excited to see this car in here. I wasn't expecting to see this car in here. And of course, I got the Montana plates. The Treasure State. The Treasure State. Look at this. Look at these wheels. So overall, there's 30 of these cars in the world. 30 only. One of 30 in the world. Starting price, ready? $3.9 million. $3.9 million. So I would say, you know, after taxes and everything, it should come up. It should come more than $4 million, or maybe something like that. Portofino living.
together.
Yeah.
Oh, this one. Yeah, they're all together.
They're all together, yeah.
They're talking.
It's not loud, yeah. We're gonna be loading the Chiron Super Sport. Alright, GT2 RS is loaded fully and nicely. Yeah, fully and nicely. Look at his tires. It is huge.